Hi, I am Mohammad Shahriyar Safdar. I will be presenting my business analysis project focused on customer segmentation, buyer behavior, and demographics. I take the data from the Kaggle, the mall customer segmentation data from my basic focus to get the rare data set for 100 retail loyalty customers. So, the core business challenges in the study, we look at the retail business that employs on the OMI channel strategy because of its like one size first it all channel strategy because of the ambition and one size fit all advertising approach. The company is expressing conversation rates and effective marketing expenditures. The data pipeline, the 100 retail clients in the dataset were subjected to an end-to-end analytical pipeline that comprised the substandard data proficiency scale of the measurement analysis and the exploratory data analysis. Modeling the techniques to find and track particular customer buying the pattern, we employed advanced probability estimations and continuous normal distribution mapping and ZC core analysis. So in the next slide, uh, the key data findings. So in the key data findings, the analysis produced two very different customer clusters. An upper middle age, very profitable population with the right skewed spend, and younger consumer cluster with the high frequency and low spend. So these strategies outcomes, these statistical insights serve as the basic of data-driven customer segmentations, strategies that enable company to target high-value customer optimized. Resource of allocation immediately boost marketing ROI. And in the next slide, now we're defining the variables using their formal scales of measurement. So in the next slide, uh, customer ID and gender. Wait a minute. Customer ID and the gender. These are normal variables. They are strictly categorical and carry on quantitative value. Also, they are used to identification and grouping. Customer satisfaction is the orientical scale. A clear ranking exists. Score 5 is the better than 4, but the distance between them cannot qualify. It was measured in 1 to 5 Likert scale. Age and annual income. These are the ratio scales. R3 allow concrete comparison such as income 1 lakh dollars and exactly double into income 5,000 $50,000 spending core. It is an internal scale graded from 1 to 100. It features the distance between units, but a score 0 does not mean to the total absence of the buying next behavior. So in the next slide, moving into the exploratory data analysis or descriptive statistics shows the customer base purchasing power when we look at like uh, we look annual in the absence of like annual income we calculate mean which is like 72500, a median which is the 68,000 and the mode which is the 65,000, and there is a showing that the mean of significantly higher than the median. This distribution is positively right skewed this right skewed with a calculated Squeens metric of plus 0.65. This also tells us that our average customer income is being moving upward by a small elite cluster of the high earning individual if our marketing team relies on which our average income 72,500. to every product. They will overprice the market because of the very majority of the core stopper with the typical earning of 65,000. So our annual spending and our mean is 58.4, and the median is in the slide, like in the median is 60.0, which is just near to the zero. The metric in the almost symmetric show the means that our customer engagement scores are evenly distributed. So I will present in the next slide. Our table shows that over 1,000 customers, in which 54% are the female, like our 100% customers, in which 54% female, making the marginal probability of zero point 0.4 as shown in the table. 0 0.4 when we apply conditional probability, while the fantastic dynamic emerge. The probability that customer prefer our electronics by mail, there is a probability that customer prefer by the drop of 20.37%. The conditional probability are not equal to each other. Like in this, like baseline of marginal probability of 34%. We have statistical data like proof of the gender and product preference are the department events, as I written in the next slide. Now we applying the normal distribution. We can calculate the probability distribution to predict and evaluate the premium market opportunities. Assume that our annual income data is normally distributed. We can apply as a Z-core. Like in a slide Z-core formula, then we calculate what percentage of our customer base the qualifies for this card by subtracting our mean 72,500 from our target threshold 1 lakh and dividing it by the standard deviation, of well, 1 lakh, 18,000, 18400. We can find Z score of 1.49, and looking to the normal distribution, Z score is 1.4, around the 1.49 leaves, and area of 0.9, 93 and 19. So therefore we will subtract the this from 1 and find the upper tail probability is 0.06, 0.0681. In the next slide, this means that there in this slide, this means third 6.81% is a current customer database naturally qualifies for the premium tier, and the 93.19% will not be eliminated. So in the next slide, we have applying the normability of the probability, in which business is nearly 60.61% of the present clients and would be perfect it for 93.19%. So 93.19 percent will not be eligible in market, eligible. Marketing will be damaged and brand quantity and increase companion expenses if they send out this offer to the enhanced database. So at the conclusion, as I write in the last slide of this presentation, in the in the conclusion, uh, our diagnostic project provides us with the 3 specific data-driven recommendations. Discontinue mass marketing and divide our budget based on demographics. Use our budget based on demographics. Use our continuous distribution insight to identify the top like uh, as you know, we will discuss in the previous slide that 60.81% of the high earners while serving over 65,000 income core and implement dynamic web layout that instantly adjust into the customer segments. So in the conclusion, we will become a more data driven company, like more data driven company, which will enable us to lower marketing waste and like cost, while like every cost while methodology increasing revenue. So this is the my whole presentation about like my project. So like I prefer to use like best English, but like uh, thank you so much.